Hello, welcome to Rapid Holding Systems. Introducing our flexible clamp for the wire EDM. It is used with combination of various rapid holding system as well as a lot of system 3R. This is a universal size tool mounting directly on the wire EDM tooling. Particular tool, this can be used any model of the wire EDM which is having that mounting holes. The great thing about this tool is adjustable to the variable size workpieces. So this particular clamp is having clamping width of 35 mm to 135, and about the overall dimensions, the length of this tool is 194 mm and width is 50 mm. I'm going to dive into the setup of this tool using our rapid holding systems system 3R compatible rail. This particular rail is 645 millimeter. It is already set up with the end clamps on the wire EDM table. So let's dive into the setting up of this tool on our wire EDM table. So you're already having the wire EDM rail on one side, and now I'm gonna clamp the 261.1 Vise on the other end. It comes with a 5 mm spacer. It's a thoughtful addition to the Vise to avoid the collisions with the workpieces. So we just need the MX screws that also deliver with the tool. This screw can be clamped into the wire EDM hole by using the normal hex key. That's the beauty of this Vise, like due to the variable hole size, like it can be clamped according to size of the workpiece, quick and easy to install on your wire EDM machine without any hassles. Here we go, we are ready for the setting up of the workpiece here. You may need to loosen up and tighten with the clockwise movement. Vise tightens into the screw, and with the anti-clockwise it will loosen. Here we have a workpiece tightened into the clamp. It's a nice and easy installation with this tool, and material of all the wire EDM tooling is stainless steel, corrosion resistance, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.